Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and ready to celebrate Valentine's tomorrow. So today I will be showing you guys a makeup look for Valentine's. The products I use will be listed in descriptions as always, and I hope you all enjoy the video. I will start off with a sunscreen because I'm actually going out today. Follow up with a color correcting base. As always, I spread it evenly with my fingers first, then take it to the other areas with a sponge. I learned a new horrific concealer trick from TikTok, and that is to first place any light source under your face. Yes, I look like a ghost. Then use the concealer to draw lines at the top of the shadow areas and blend it with a concealer brush. I will do a second layer on the areas that are hard to cover, like dark circles. Then set it with a powder. And the same for the pimple areas. Next step is nose contour. For eyeshadow, I use a rose peachy color cream type eyeshadow before I apply the powder shadow today. I also use a pink peachy rosy color for the powder shadow to match the Valentine's theme. Next step is eyeliner. And egg also with an eyebrow pencil. Then highlight it with a concealer. For lashes, I chose these beautiful brown and black mixed color lashes. It is separated into 4 stems, And for people with smaller eyes like me, using freestands is just perfect. And next, I will do my eyebrows. This is how it looks so far with and without the eye makeup, and I will complete the other side. Next, I will put on a baby pink color blush. And a champagne color highlight, so my facial features can look more dimensional. For lipstick, I will use a pink peachy color as a base, then layer it with a cherry color at the center to make a gradient look. And now I will put on a charming dress and curl my hair a bit. I couldn't find my curler, so this is what I do instead. Lastly, a pretty chain earring that will catch everyone's eyes. That concludes the look of the day. I hope you all enjoy watching this video, and I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.